Hello guys, welcome to 5mantra.com. This is Kalyan, the faculty of aptitude, and we are going to discuss the exercise. We are going to do the exercise on the previous video about the cylindrical rods, and when 4 cylindrical rods are tied and what is the length of the rope required for that. Let us do a small exercise of 2 or 3 problems to know that how to use the technique. Now, here how many pipes are given? 4 pipes. How many pipes are given here? 4 pipes, and it is tied together tightly. 4 pipes are tied together tightly with a rope, and we need to find out the length of the rope here also. Let us read the problem once. Find the length of the rope to tie the 4 cylindrical pipes tightly with the equal bases. Equal bases in the sense, base is in the shape of circle and all the circular bases are equal. That means radius of each pipe, base radius of each pipe is same. So this what are the base radius here? Once again I am showing you. So what are the base radius? This is a base radius, and this is a base radius, and this is a base radius, this is a base radius. So all the base radius are equal. Okay, when all the base radius are equal, then we need to find out the required thing. Okay, what is that? We need to find out the length of the rope. Okay, let us once remind the property which we said in the previous video. Okay, let us do this. See here, we have given that the front section, this front section is in the shape of what? 4 equal circles are attached in this way, and when a rope is tightly tied to that like this, this length of the rope, when each radius would be capital R, when radius of each is how much? Capital R, then what is the length of the rope required? We said in that video, that is 2 pi R plus 8R. Guys, you remember this or not? I said you there also. The same thing I explained you there, and we said that this is 2 pi R plus 8R. Okay, where R is a base radius of every cylindrical rod or pipe. Okay, now let us apply this and do find within the seconds. Okay, how to find it out? Just see here what we are doing here. Just on substituting the value in place of what? Radius 2 pi R plus what? 8R, where R equal to given how much? 1 centimeter or not? Let us put it in place of R. Means substitute value of R as 1. 2 pi R, that is 2 pi into 1. That 8 into R, 8 into 1. Now this value would be finally 2 pi plus 8 centimeters. But in our given answers, the answer is not given in terms of pi. The answer is represented in terms of numerical. So better we do the simplification numerically. In order to do that, we have to substitute the value of pi, which is 22 by 7. Put it now. Okay, now what it is? 2 into 22 by 7 plus 8, isn't it? Now 22 2s are how much? Now let us simplify this value. What it is, I'll do here. 22 into 2, 44 by 7. Okay, when it is 44 by 7, make it simplified. 7 how many times goes in that 44? 7 6 are 42 or not? 7 6 are 42. 2 is a remainder. If you keep decimal after that, 20, it becomes 20. 20 means 7 will cut 2 times. Okay, 14, again 6 will be the remainder. It becomes 60 because of decimal point. Okay, 60 means 7 8s. Approximately that will be how much? 6.28 or not. So value of this is how much? 6.28. So what is the length then? So this is 6.28 and this is how much? 8. Adding these two together, what do we get? 8 plus 6 would be 14.28 centimeters is your final answer. Okay, which are the options is correct? Here also you got the first option as your answer. So guys, I think you might have got that how to do apply this shortcut which is taught in the previous video while doing the numericals on them. Okay, let us see here what we did. Just simply we have substituted the value of radius, base radius of the cylindrical pipes. Okay, and we simply obtained the value of this. Guys, because I am explaining you, I am getting even this much of time. If when you will do on your own with a mind calculation, it will be it is hard. It will hardly take 40 seconds. Hardly. Even for non-math students, it will take very less time. I feel that you can do this very well if you do practice for several times. And don't follow this blindly. Once again, I am telling you, don't follow anything blindly. You have to analyze this thing from the previous video or your own, on your own. And here after that, our analyzed result is what? When 4 pipes are tied together of each base radius r, the length of rope required is, what is that? 2 pi r plus 8 r. Okay, substituting r value, we are getting simply answer. So if you want to do this problem, entire process, it will take more than 5 to 10 minutes for non-math students. So is this technique saving your time or not? Obviously. So I think you would have enjoyed this video, and now this is exercise on the previous video. Okay, you would have enjoyed this video. If you like this, don't forget to subscribe subscribe to get this type of informative videos. In your further videos, we are going to upload so many techniques from the mensuration and geometry especially for CGL and CHSL students. Thank you very much.